Hey guys, welcome to Dev Domain. In today's video, we are going to learn about the inheritance. So let's start. So inheritance is a fundamental concept in object-oriented programming. It allows a class to inherit the properties and behaviors from another class. Inheritance allows the child class to inherit the properties and the behaviors from its parent class. Inheritance allows all the methods from the parent class should be inherited in the child class and access all the properties of the parent class through the child class as well. So think of it like a child inheriting traits from their parents. Parents are very intelligent and child as well, it is intelligent. So the property of intelligence is inherited by the child from the parent. Why inheritance is useful? So let's understand. First point is code reusability. Instead of writing the same code multiple times, you can reuse the code from the parent class. If parent class has the same property as the child class have, so you can simply inherit that property from the parent class. In the child class as well, we can access that same properties. So that's the main use of the inheritance. Programmer will understand the code because the code will be reduced and it can be reusable. The programmer will not write the same code again and again. So it is a very important use case of the inheritance, code reusability. The next point is organization. That is, it helps in organizing code in the hierarchical manner. The third point is extensibility. So that means you can add a new feature to the child class without modifying the parent class. So you can add some new properties in the child class without modifying the parent class. So the child class can have more features than the parent class. So always we have to make the object for the child class. So because the child class has more features, child class has parents features as well and its own features as well. So we have to make object for the child class so it can be very useful. So next point is types of inheritance. So first is single inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, and hybrid inheritance. So these are the 5 types of inheritance. We will see these types of inheritance in further videos. Introductory part of the inheritance. Thank you for watching this video.